Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony Vijay. In this video, we will be going to see about hashing technique in data structure. So first of all, we will be going to see about the introduction part of hashing. So hashing is usually producing a small size output from the large size input. It is applied by with the help of a mathematical formula. So in this mathematical formula is called as hash function. So based on the hash function, it will produce the index value. That index value is can be used to store the particular key to the hash table. Okay. So I just going to explain this with the example. So in this example, I am taking 5 keys 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After that, I am applying every key one by one to the hash function. Here the hash function is h of x is equal to x modulo 10. So 11 is modulo with 10. So the remainder is 1. So now 11 is stored in the index 1. So this is the general process. So likewise 12 is applied with the hash function. So 12 modulo 10. Now the remainder is 2. So 12 is stored in the index 2. So again 13, 14, 15. So it is again applied to hash function. So it is stored in the third location, fourth location, fifth location respectively. So this is the general process of hashing. Next we are going to see about the overview of hash table. So actually it is mostly wide used data structure after array, and it is so easy. It is most widely used as well as it is more efficient than other data structures like arrays, linked list and binary search tree, because it produces the maximum time complexity of big O of 1 for doing operations such as searching, inserting and deleting, so that it is more efficient. And we are using this particular hash table in dictionaries, frequency counting and quick access of any keys and all, and it can be used in various real world applications like database indexing, cryptography techniques, simple table and dictionaries. And this particular table can be used in two different forms. One is hash set, the other one is hash map. So it can be used in programming languages, so like C, C++, Java, Python and all. Okay, so hash set means it's like a collection of unique keys. So in Python and JavaScript, it can be called as set. In C++, it is called as unordered set. In Java, it is called as hash set. When you talk about hash map, so hash map is mean for collection of key value pairs with the keys, and it is so unique, so there is no repetition. And in hash map is generally for dictionary purpose, so it is used in Python as a dictionary, and in JavaScript it can be used as map. In C++ it is used as unordered map, and finally in Java it is used as hash map. So these are the overview of hash table. So next we will be going to see about the components of hashing. There are three important components of hashing. The first one is key, the other one is hash function, and the third one is hash table. Okay, so when I talk about key can be anything. It may be string or integer, which is applied to the hash function. So that hash function can be used to identify the location or index for storing the certain item. Okay, this is the general process of key. And when I talk about hash function, so hash function usually receive the key and it will return the index of the certain key, and that will be stored into the hash table. Okay, and hash table means it is a combination of various elements in a particular table. It is a form of array of list. It can be stores value with the corresponding keys, and hash stores the data in the associative manner like array, and it has its own unique index. Okay, and these are the components of hashing. Okay, so keys are there and we are applying the keys to the hash function, and finally we are storing that key to the hash table. This is the general process of hashing. So let's have a example for how the particular hashing works. So initially I am taking three strings. Okay, the first string is AB, and the second string is CD, and the third string is EFG. So I am assuming A equal to 1, B equal to 2, and C equal to 3, and D equal to 4, and EFG is 5, 6, 7. So I am assuming values, numerical values for every character. So that if I want to find AB na, I want to add 1 and 2. And if I want to store CD na, I want to add 3 plus 4, that is 7. So here I am taking the table size is 7. Table size is 7. So if I want to find AB means A value is 1, B value is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So likewise CD means 3 plus 4. And for EFG 5 plus 6 is 7. That is 18. So likewise we are going to apply modulo operation with the table size. Okay. So now 3 modulo 7. So 3 modulo 7 is what? 3. So obviously AB will be stored in the index 3. And CD is 7. So 7 modulo 7. 7 modulo 7 is 0. So CD is stored in 0. And EFG is what? 18. 18 modulo 7. It is, remainder is 4. So that it is stored in here. Okay. This is the general process of storing the data into the hash table. Okay.
Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you very much for watching.